Welcome to DefinitAI. In this video, I will walk you through everything from creating your account to building your AI agent, speaking with it, and customizing it to represent you. To create your account, go to Register button, give required information and verify your email, and then you will be in. And after that, you will be able to log in. Once you log in, you will see the UI with all the features. The first thing I'd like to do is the personalization. Upload a photo and generate an avatar. And then after that, you will be able to select profile photo or AI avatar to display. And this is what the other people will see when they will be talking to you. Now comes the fun part, the agent hub. First, you'd like to build the agent. And the easiest way is to upload some files like a resume or some notes that represents you. If you already have something written, you can paste it here, or you can import from any of your websites or blogs. If you do not have anything ready, you can simply answer some questions about your profile, project, leadership, and from there, the system will build the agent for you. Everything you have added, that becomes the knowledge of your agent. Anytime you can add new knowledge, edit them and delete them to keep your agent up to date. You can also review the agent. You can see the summary and the skills extracted by the system. You can edit them as well. The cover tells you what has been covered about you by the content that you have uploaded. If there is any issues like duplications or the sensitive information, that will be displayed here. You can also review the memory of your agent. You can approve them, reject or edit them. Now let's see what we have built. I'll start asking questions here. And if we do not want to type, we can enable the voice options to directly talk with our agent. Another feature that I would like to use is the sources. The default source will use all the files that has been marked as default in the agent hub. If I want someone to talk about my resume only, then I can share this code with them so that they can select that code from this list to talk specifically about that content. These codes are used to maintain the user's privacy. Once people start interacting with your agent, then the analytics becomes really interesting. You can see all the details here, including the questions that have been asked. You can select one question and see the response, as well as the sources that have been used to generate that answer. If you like the answer, approve it, otherwise disapprove, and that helps your agent to improve over the time. Now let's make the agent to work for you. You can add your personality here so that the agent behaves exactly like you. One important use case of this entire agentic system is that your agent can establish networking for you. You can explain what you want and find opportunities manually. You can automate this system by enabling this agent automation button. You can also schedule when the agent will make the search. If the agent finds some interesting networking opportunity, then it will draft a message and that will be displayed here for your review. If some other agents have sent any information to you, that will be displayed here and you can always accept or reject them. You can find people by the name or skills, and we can pick one person from here and talk to them. Here I can ask questions to Bob. I can ping them, I can see the chat history with them, and I can go back to my profile as well. If my profile is not ready yet to share publicly, I can go to Profile, Privacy and Settings, disable the discoverable button, and then nobody will be able to find me here. If anyone interacts with your agent or send messages, then you can see that from the notifications and messages sections. And that's really it. Once your agent is ready, you can share it with recruiters, hiring managers, or anyone who may want to know something from you. You do not need to be available to make the initial conversations because your agent handles it 24/7. Thanks for watching. If you are ready to create your own AI agent, all the links are available in the description.